Hi everybody, it's Caroline. I'm out in the garden and I'm going to see if I can do some art pictures in the snow. I've been round and I've collected some sticks. Let's see what we can do. Here's my sticks that I've collected. So now I'm going to make a picture. I'm going to put that one there. I'm going to put that one there. I'm going to put this one along there. I wonder if you can guess what I'm going to make. I'm going to put this one there. Can you guess yet? I'm going to put these along the bottom. Oh, I found a good one. Here's one. I'm going to put that one there. What's it starting to look like? You know? That one there. And another one there. There we are. Right, let's see. Actually, I'm going to swap those two. I'm going to put that long one there and the short one there, because then I can make a door. Can you see what I've made? I've made a house with sticks in the snow. I've got another stick here. I'm going to use this stick as a pencil. Let's see if I can draw some windows. There's one window. There's two windows. There's three windows. And there is four windows. And there's my house, made out of sticks in the snow. Oh, look over here as well. Look what I've been doing over here. I've been making some shapes in the snow. Can you see what they are? I'm going to go over them again. That's right, that one's a triangle. This one is a square. And this one is a circle. A circle, a square and a triangle. Right, now I'm going to have a go at drawing a face. Are you ready? I'm going to do a big circle. There's the big circle for the face. I'm going to draw some eyes and a nose and a big smiley mouth, because it's good to smile. There we are. And then I know what I could do. I could add some of these sticks for some hair. There we go. Now he's got some hair. Do you like my face? Why don't you have a look and see what you can make in the snow and with bits of stick and leaves. See what you can find to make a really good picture with. Bye!